What's up guys? In this video I'm gonna be changing front upper control arm with Megan Racing adjustable arms in my Lexus GS 300 2006 because I installed lowering coil springs so my wheels won't be able to get aligned properly until I get it done. So here we go. This control arm is hooked up with 3 bolts, 2 in the back and 1 is with the ball joint assembly. The first thing I did was I hooked the horizontal arm to the shock so I possibly avoid any kind of damage to the hoses on the wheel and brake. Then I started to remove those bolts. As you can see, I used the extension on my wrench because I didn't have the socket wrench at this time. And before I removed the nut of the ball joint, I hit it a couple times to remove the ball joint. If it didn't come out so easily, then I would have gotten a ball joint separator from the auto parts stores. I spent longer time on removing back end bolts nuts because the lack of space. Now you can see the existing control arm just removed with its 2 long ass bolts, also the location where the holes are. Anyways, now we got the brand new Megan Racing adjustable control arm. Here we go. Just put it in the place where it was. There's no problem and no issue, and just make sure that I have the R on the right side, L on the left side. So in this case I have the right on the right side. It was pretty simple, not too hard, not too easy. Just put the bolts back in and tighten up a little bit, not too hard. Because if I tighten the 2 bolts on the back very hardly, I cannot pull the control arm down to the horizontal arm. The whole work was not too hard, but if I took the shock away I could have had enough room to play in, but I didn't want to do that. In order to install the ball joint assembly properly, I tilted the ball joint bolt. I pulled it toward me so I can easily put it in the hole. Just make sure you tight weld the bolts and nuts before you install the tires. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope my video helped somebody who had questions or concerns about the control arms.